Used to be if we had big questions, there was places we could go and get our questions answered. But things done changed now. If you want to know some answers, you got to find them out yourself. I don't know if y'all been to church recently, but church is not answering any questions about anything at this particular time. I ain't talking about white church, I ain't talking about black church, I'm talking about church. Church as official has said you can feel free to come in and praise and worship all you like. And by all means, pay your motherfucking tithes. But if you have any questions for Jesus, you should ask him in the parking lot on the way to your house.